Hello, this is me, JD James, and I've got an unboxing video. Just got a second-hand computer, so it's just arrived to replace my existing machine, Quad. This is a i-Series 3rd gen. So let's open it. Didn't think it was going to come today, but never had an i-Series before, so it'll be very interesting. Box, and no, isn't it? It's just empty box. I don't know what, that's probably just packaging for the use that box. Right. And we've got lots of stuff like hoarding or something. Right, so here it is. It's just a tower case. Oh. Get it out. There it is. A Dell Vostro 470. Reasonable condition. Oh, there's like that stuff you get on the I thought it was broken, it's that peel off stuff. I was just cleaning that, my main Quad Dell PCs 780, and I just took the power supply out because I'm going to clean it, and this turned up, so damn, is that falling off in a minute. I wish to see what is inside. Right, so it's going to fall over. Right, so here's the machine. Right, it doesn't have side. It's the same chassis as the Optiplex 7010 and 9010, as far as I know, but it doesn't have. Leave it actually. Is that a screw? It's like this. The side panel's different, they have like a quick release thing on them. What's in here? It's fairly clean. So that's the guts of the thing. Looks pretty clean. It's my first time I've ever seen it, of course. That's been unplugged, I don't know why. Right, I'm going to do a closer look. Fan looks very, very clean, like it's never been used or it's been replaced. It's very, very clean, like really clean. And no dust or anything on it. Like none. That's really weird. And I thought this was that. But it's not, it's for a graphics card, I think. That's for a graphics card, so the main one, I thought that was unplugged, but it's not. That is very clean. That doesn't look like it's got any dust on it at all. There's nothing inside this. No dust at all. That's really odd. Unless it's been cleaned or something. I don't know. 3rd gen i-Series Ivy Bridge. i5, I don't know exactly, it's 337, 34 or something like that, I don't know what it is. Power supply should be 350, I think. 350, yes, is at the top. I didn't know there was a power supply thing with that, like for the graphics card. That's kind of odd. It's so clean, I can't believe how clean this is. Normally they're full of dust. really clean. It's got 4 gig. I only wanted 8, but the problem was on eBay they're all scratched up. The cases are all manky, so this one was relatively clean in terms of what it looked like. I thought I can get more memory. Looks like 2 gig modules, so I need to get the other 2 gig. I don't know what memory. Yeah, it's only got 4 on it, but got this. I don't know what they make the hard drive. They're normally Seagate, I think. Well, this. Damn it. They do a thing on these where they normally have these caddies on, like with that one. That's a 780. The size of the heatsink on that. They're sliding plastic caddies, but they only give you one. If you want to put a second drive in, you've got to buy a second caddy, which just sits in there. I don't know what this. I know it's a. What is this? 500 gig. I'll put it on in a minute. I can use the graphics. It's got no operating system. I've got a Windows 7 64 Pro I can put on it. I think it said it's. Oh, it hasn't got a wireless card though. These have wireless cards in them, but I reckon I can stick one in there actually. I don't know how this works. Does it just come out then? Does it just come out like that? Okay. I bet it's a Seagate, any money. Gently, gently. No, it's a Western Digital. Though it's quite old. I thought it was a Seagate. Oh, well, not bad. Western Digitals are alright. I got one in my Pentium D. Almost the same age, and it's been really, really good. It just horns. I thought it was a bloody Seagate. Oh wow, I'm quite impressed by that. As long as it's not scratchy as buggery. I've cut my bloody hand open on that. I'm going to get coronavirus now. Believe that. There's this sticky stuff on the bottom. This is a good ASMR. You ready? How long has that been on there? Amazing. Look at that. I just put it on, and or just put the power on to the mains, and it literally has come on. So there it is there. I didn't have an I've only got a. My monitor is this one, but it's DVI. Got SVGA, but it's plugged into this TV, which acts as a monitor for the other machine. I've just switched it over yesterday. Floppy drive, there we are. The audio don't sound too great. Keyboard failure. It doesn't like my keyboard. Okay, keyboard weren't plugged in right. I don't know why. F2. Okay, so you can see this. I don't know. It's 2012, it's fairly old. Dell Vostro 470 i5 3rd gen with the card reader. It's not bad condition, it's fairly clean. Bloody hell. It's a DVD rewriter. Yeah, and this closes, but when you've got these in, you obviously can't do that because that's in the way. But it's nice, reasonable condition. There you are. Windows 7 era machine, or late Windows 7 era. So yeah, there it is. Money Potter. See, what I thought I'd do as an additional bit of content is actually install this. And what this is as PS2 to the machine, and this machine has no PS2s built in. I think Dell did this with a number of the optiplexes, so they can make more money. Normally they're built in, and they thought, oh, we won't add them, but you can add them if you want them. You have to pay, and these are about £25, £30. Got it from eBay for £5. So. Right, there it is. There, where is it? It's somewhere there. I'll zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Right, so there's a pin missing, which would be. You can't really see it. But, right, so. Thanks for putting it right next to where the capacitors are, Dell. That's a great move. And all these electrolytic doofers going on. I'm going to have a hell of a job getting this in, aren't I? Get the camera away. I don't want to damage these damn it. I have to put it in, you can't see anything. Just put it into here. These idiotic things wrap around me now. Get in there. Right, we'll try. Where's the thing up there? It's the wrong way round. Okay, this is going to be a pig to get in here. There's no outside bit on it. I'm going to knock these capacitors. There's no plastic edging. Oh, there it is. Around the edge of it. So that's it. Got it. Sorry, my finger was in the way. It just went straight in. Right. So. Anything else I've got to do is just stick windows on it, really, to be honest. This is falling over. Yeah. So, the idea is to take, oh, remember the graphics card's going to go at the top here. So I'm yet to get that. So we take this, put this thing bloody light somewhere. No, I don't get how you get that out. You have to go. Oh, there it is. Okay. I need to. I think the second one up because the top one's there. So. Oh, I hate these bloody things. I'd rather have screws, you know. Right. So the idea is that as these goes in this way. I hope this works because it's got the header on it. You could put a screw on that really, but right, that's got it. So that bait, oh, that's a bit in the way, isn't it? Crying out loud. Just a bit. Let's tuck it under there like that. It's going to get in the way of the graphics card. Maybe I can route it around it when it's in, to be honest. So. I don't want to get in the way of the, and not these capacitors. That'll do. It doesn't really have to be crazy in, but yeah, because it's a little bit like that. I don't want it getting in the way of the case fan. These are ATX, so it opens the opposite way around to the optiplexes I've been using for like 7 or 8 years. So everything's the other way around, and there's no big thing at the front anymore, which I kind of miss that. But right, so I've got that in, and we'll test that. Because there's no PS2's other wires on these.